Welcome to the research world. This presentation has been generated free. A powerful PowerPoint presentation captures the audience's attention and communicates ideas clearly and effectively. If you want to make presentations like this for free, follow the steps. Open any search engine and then search for Kimi AI. Click on this first website that is Kimi AI. Now here on the left side, you can see an option of the Kimi Slides. Click on this Kimi Slides. Here you can write the prompt that is the topic on which you need the PowerPoint presentation slides. For example, I'm going to get presentation on the evolution of the Roman art. Kimi AI has started searching and creating the content on Roman art's evolution and history. It will take few moments to create your presentation content. Kimi AI has been done with the generation of our content. Now at the end, there are two options. One is the preset mode, and one is the adaptive mode. Click on this adaptive mode. Here, you will be provided the different templates which you can choose for your PowerPoint presentations. For example, I am going to select this evolution of ancient Roman art template, as it is more related to our content. Click on Generate Slides. Kimi AI, it has started generating the slides. It will take few moments. You can see the progress over here. Our presentation has been generated completely. Now click here on this download option and you can select PPT mode. Click on Download. Our presentation has been downloaded successfully. Open presentation. And you can edit this presentation as well.